Good morning. In just a little bit, we're going to hear from a group of business leaders on a panel hosted by Dave Angus from Johnson Group. But right now, we want to talk to these two Winnipeg business leaders. This is Brad Peacock and Andrew Stibbard. So I first want to start asking about the campaign itself and the fact that both of your companies invested in Yes Winnipeg way back in 2010. So first, tell us why.
Well, we felt its purpose was right. You know, a private sector-led economic development agency was exactly what Winnipeg needed then, and I would say the need for it is even more prevalent today. So we took a bit of a flyer back in 2010, not knowing exactly what the impact of the organization would be, but we've been very, very impressed. That's why we were quick to jump on board on this most recent campaign.
Yeah, I would echo a lot of what Brad has said in terms of the importance of private-led growth, and we've, again, like really a lot of positive experiences for the last over a decade, and excited about the next many years.
And Brad, last time we spoke, you had said that if we don't do it for ourselves in this community, no one will come here to do it for us. What do you think we need to do as a community and a business community to get us back on track?
Well, so I think we need to take advantage of the natural strengths we have in this province, which is a very diversified, healthy economy backed by sort of tremendous entrepreneurial spirit. That's been sort of the cornerstone of the business community in Manitoba for decades. I think we all, not only from a business community, but also from a political will perspective, need to make sure that economic recovery is a priority. And I think Yes Winnipeg can play a major role in facilitating that. I think, you know, we need to invest in ourselves and each other, and that's the way we're going to grow.
When we think about the future, we think about the role that Yes Winnipeg is going to play coming out of these last couple of years. Sharing our story and telling our story is going to pay off, and targeting our existing companies in our community that want to expand and stay here, and targeting those that want to contemplate this geography in the center of North America. It's a very compelling story, being proactive and sharing that, and I think we're gonna continue to do it together, led by Yes Winnipeg, and it's gonna be great.
People who know you two, that know Brad and Andrew, or Brandrew, as we are calling them now, know that they like to incessantly tease one another. So I got to ask, who was the better co-chair through this whole campaign?
Brad.
Well, when I got approached, frankly, first, I'm sure, by Ryan and Doug Harvey, who was chair of the Investor Council at the time, and so they told me that they were looking for a chair or co-chair for this latest campaign, and they told me their criteria was brains and good looks. So I immediately said I'm in. And then I asked them if they minded if I brought my friend Andrew along for the ride, and you know they were great about it, and you know the campaign's gone really, really well, so they were really good sports, and so I think it's worked out.
So if he brought the brains and the good looks, so what did you bring to the table?
With a co-chair like Brad Peacock, all I got to say is when I was first approached, they said someone from Megill-Stephenson. I thought it was Mark Chipman. It's Brad Peacock, but I love the guy.
Thanks, sir.
What do you think was the best part about working together as co-chairs on this campaign?
We had some fun, and you know what? At the end of the day, all of the success and all of the hard work was really done by the Yes Winnipeg team. So, you know, we got the opportunity to share in their success and have some fun along the way. So I really enjoyed it.
The Yes Winnipeg team was absolutely spectacular and really focused on results. And as Brad said, we did have a lot of fun, and last time I checked, it's okay to have fun in life.
Well, on behalf of Economic Development Winnipeg and Yes Winnipeg, we want to thank you for being the co-chairs and for just always being great champions of economic growth for this city.